Hi, my name is Amy Conklin, and this is my introductory video for EDL 854 School Finance. This is my 17th year as a school psychologist for Keystone Learning Services. I currently work in the Perry-Lecompton School District and have kiddos preschool through high school. And then I also work for John Dewey Learning Academy, our alternative school that also has the capability of having students K through 12. And right now that facility has around 40 students. Why am I seeking this administrative degree? In my 17 years, I've had several administrators, so I've got to learn from lots of them. And I think it's that time in my career where I'd like to do more, and my skill sets have been kind of moving towards that more administrative leadership role. And so that's really why I'm seeking the degree. I'm actually hoping to go towards more of special ed since being a school psychologist, that's what I know. So I would like to be possibly an assistant director of special ed, possibly within my own co-op here at Keystone or in maybe another special education program. I have thought a little bit about maybe being a building principal, and I wouldn't be opposed to that, but right now I am looking more at the special ed route. My background for that, being a school psychologist, there are several times that I've been the one responsible to make sure we're following the law, we're doing the right things for kids. So my background has really already led me to do lots of leadership and provide lots of different support for teachers, different things like that. So I really think my background has led me to this point, and I'm kind of ready to take that next step to be an administrator. As far as my strengths and weaknesses when it comes to school finance, over the summer, I was part of the leadership group that worked to develop a budget for the John Dewey Learning Academy and kind of outline how much money we should spend in different areas. We really wanted to focus on professional development. So it was kind of hard to, what do we take money away from so that we make sure we have this robust professional development. So that was an interesting process. As far as really knowing the ins and outs all about school finance, I don't. And as my job as a school psychologist, I don't have to worry about the money side of things. So I am obviously pretty green to this and am excited to learn more regarding school finance. Thank you.